Hi guys, welcome to Candy Space once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. On our last episode, on my last video, we talked about working remotely, and I also introduced some websites and remote job platforms for you so you can check out. I hope you checked them out, or did you just watch the video and just ignored or be like you just usual thing, blah, blah, blah. Guys, if you did not check those sites out, you're actually missing, because if you had explored those sites by now, I'm sure you would have landed your own personal gig on any of those websites. But that's by the way. Before you continue watching this video, I need you to make sure you subscribed to this YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification, of course, so that you'll be the first person to always get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Yes, become our premium subscriber so that once you upload a new video, you will not be missing out. You will not come to watch the video when every other person might have finished watching the video. You actually be among the first people that is going to see the video. That's interesting. Okay, on our today's episode, I told you guys I'll be giving you more informative content these days, because it's all fun. Don't worry, we'll go back to our fun content very soon, because of course Christmas is around the corner and we are going to explore some other amazing places this Christmas. But before then, we need to make money, isn't it? So guys, today we talked about remote job last time, and I also told you that before you venture into anything remote job, you have to have a digital skill. What are these digital skills I'm talking about? There are a lot of skills you can actually get certified on. Yeah, these jobs, you don't need to go to an academy to get the certificates. There are so many educative platforms that you can also enroll with and obtain the certificate, and also have idea about these skills and what they do, so that you become a specialist in that field. Okay, today I'll be sharing with you um LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is offering free courses. Yes, like I said before, I told you that me myself, some of the courses I got certified on was not free. I actually bought them, like I paid to enroll in those classes, and some of these courses take me like 1 week. It took me like 1 week for me to get a certificate on them. But guys, LinkedIn Learning is offering free courses for you that you can actually study and get certificates for free without paying anything at all. I mean it, without paying a dime. All you need to do is just go to LinkedIn Learning and offer these courses. Apply, and when you got accepted, you have to take it very serious. Follow whatever step they introduce to you, and at the end of the class you'll be issued your own certificate on that particular course. Don't worry about how you're going to locate these courses, what courses you're to locate, etc, because like I said before, not all of these courses are actually free. Some are paid, but these ones I'm going to be sharing for you, I'll be giving you the link to them, the link that will take you direct to those courses, so that you can actually study and get certified on those field. So at the end of this video, or as I'm explaining and illustrating, I'll also be giving you the links and the website, and in my description, my video description, I'm going to list all the websites for you, so that it will be very easy for you to access. So guys, let's begin.
Python has an easy-to-learn structure. It runs on multiple operating systems, both on the client and the cloud, and has a vast ecosystem of tools and libraries that address a large number of programming scenarios. Hi, I'm Joe Marini, and I've been building software professionally for some of the biggest companies in Silicon Valley for more than 30 years. In this course, you will get a hands-on introduction to the Python programming language. Then, we'll move on to working with some of Python's built-in high-level data types, such as dates, times, and files. Finally, we'll wrap up by processing information such as HTML, XML, and JSON. If you're ready to start building the next generation of cross-platform applications that run on the client as well as the cloud, let's get started.
Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. So if you want to access the full tutorial, you can use the link in my video description. It will take you to LinkedIn Learning. Sign up and start your course on Python programming. And the second one on my list here is blockchain basics. Blockchain basics. When you hear blockchain, what comes to your mind? BTC, huh? Crypto, huh? Okay, this blockchain basics, blockchain as a whole, blockchain technology as a whole demands a lot of attention. So if you're interested in blockchain, so remember, this is the basic. It's more like an introductory class to blockchain. So the video, you'll see the video after this particular one, but the link to the particular course will also be in my video description, so you can go check it out. If you're interested, you apply. Okay,
available and viable cryptocurrency was created. Called Bitcoin, this new form of money was born on the internet. Powering the magic of Bitcoin was a novel underlying technology that would itself become a breakout hit. A digital ledger mechanism that would be referred to as blockchain demonstrated enormous potential in how it authorized, validated, and stored transactions on a computer network. No longer tethered to human oversight, blockchain introduced the notion of transactional trust through computer code. This was a game changer. While it's just over a decade since blockchain technology first arrived, its full potential is still to be realized. Now, all types of organizations are discovering and embracing its value and unleashing its capacity for innovation. The unique qualities of blockchain make it a truly 21st century disruptor that must be understood. Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Reinkentel. By completing this course, you will understand what blockchain technology is, how it works, and the ways it's creating new value for different industries. I'll also discuss some of the challenges and risks ahead, where the technology may be headed, and some possible next steps for you or your organization. In this course, I'll keep focused on the big picture and explain important concepts in a way that everyone can understand. If you're ready to explore one of the hottest technologies today, come on, let's jump in and get started.
okay, we'll be looking forward to see you in the blockchain class. I hope you understand. Don't miss it for any reason. Even though you don't want to do any remote job based on blockchain, you can just study the course for knowledge sake. Okay, now the third one is learning cloud computing, migrating to the cloud. In this class, you're going to get an overview of cloud computing, what cloud computing is all about, and the key concepts of cloud computing, the key concepts you're going to actually emphasize on when you hear cloud computing or migrating to cloud computing. What comes to your mind? I don't know, but in that course it will be so elaborate that you're going to understand every nook and cranny of cloud computing. Don't miss it.
In the world of technology in the past 5 years, and for good reason. Cloud computing provides the ability to do much more with much less cost and the ability to change the technology and thus the business solutions in a much more efficient and agile way. I'm going to show you what cloud computing means, including types, models, and typical business uses of cloud. I'll use state-of-the-art examples of cloud computing, including public cloud providers that you can leverage today for no or very little cost. I'm Dave Linthicum. I've been in the field of enterprise technology for 35 years and in the field of cloud computing for over 15 years. If you're ready to learn what cloud computing is and what it can do for you and your enterprise, come join me on this LinkedIn Learning course on learning cloud computing core concepts.
Okay, the fourth one here is artificial intelligence. I know plenty people, like almost everyone is conversant with AI these days. Yeah, we use most AI applications to even do most of our assignments and a lot of other tasks like chat GPT, etc. So LinkedIn Learning is also offering free course on artificial intelligence. If you're interested to know how the AI world works, this course is for you. The link is also going to be in my video description. So in this course, you will navigate the machine learning lifecycle by getting hands-on practice training for your first machine learning method. Doesn't that sound interesting? The link is in my description. Go check.
More fair and equitable by identifying and removing human subjectivity from decision making. I strongly believe that this technology could make the world a better place. I've worked hard to democratize machine learning and make this technology accessible to everyone. I'm Keisha Williams, and in this course, we'll explore the most exciting branch of AI, machine learning. You'll navigate the entire machine learning lifecycle through practical hands-on examples, including the steps required to build systems. Thank you for starting your machine learning journey with me. I'll see you inside the course.
So the video is making my video a bit long, and I don't want that cumbersome lengthy videos. Now the fifth one is video editing and photography. In this course, you're going to learn how to make professional photographs, videos, and editing. How to make your video or your picture become outstanding. In this particular course, they are going to teach you all you need to know about video and photography, and also editing. If you're a content creator, you're a designer, you're a manager, you're a social media influencer, and you normally pay people to help you edit your video, you don't have to do that anymore. Just take this free course on photography and video editing on LinkedIn Learning. The link is going to be on my video description, so you can go check it out, and if you're interested, you can apply for it. That is that for video editing. So let's move on to the next one. And the sixth free course I'll be sharing with you all today is strategic or critical thinking. This particular course is for leaders and managers. It will teach you how to tackle some issues, some common problems you face in your firm, among your group, etc. So critical thinking will actually give you insights on decision making and troubleshooting. It's going to guide you on how to tackle some issues that may ensue during your day-to-day activity. It will give you that broad knowledge on how to think and navigate thoughts. So if you're a manager or you're a leader, this course is also for you. You just have to go through it, pay proper attention, write the test, pass the test, and get your certificates on that course. It is very easy. The link is also in my video description, numbered as number 6. And the seventh free course you can get certified on LinkedIn is selling to executives. Not just normal marketing selling, there's what they call selling to executives. It is very challenging. It is not easy for you to introduce something to someone immediately and you expect the person to buy on impulse when the person did not financially prepare for that sales you came there to make, but yet they patronize you. How did you do it? How do you do it? What steps do you take? What strategies do you imply? This course is for you. In this particular course, you'll be taught everything you need to know when you want to sell to executives, so that you have a successful meeting with them. That is what selling to executive is all about. So if you're in the marketing field, you enjoy selling, or you're an entrepreneur and you want to get some insight and strategies on how to make a lot of sales, and also how to make high demand sales, and also how to sell to higher authority, this course is for you. The link is in my video description, number 7. You can go through it. If you're interested, you can apply through LinkedIn Learning. Don't forget, before you apply to for any of this job, make sure you have your LinkedIn account and your LinkedIn Learning account running, so that it will be easy. Once you just tap on the link, it will take you direct to the course, so you can start your learning immediately. Welcome. So the 8th free course I'll be sharing with you is Excel. And what area of Excel are we looking at? Excel tricks and tips. You want your Excel game to move to the next level, to look more professional and specialized. In this course, a veteran Excel expert is going to be teaching you all you need to know. He'll be sharing with you powerful tips, tricks, and shortcuts for you, so that you will step up your Excel game. And the link to this course is also on my video description. You can check it out on number 8. The 9th one is digital marketing. Do you know that you can also learn digital marketing on LinkedIn for free without paying a dime? You can get your certificate on digital marketing, how to put your store on Google Map, how to run a lot of adverts and marketing on people's social media, and so you can learn it on this course. The link is on my video description, number 9. And the last one I'll be sharing with you all today is affiliate marketing. There's so many online trainings on affiliate marketing, but in this course you're going to get a broader view of what affiliate marketing is all about, your do's, your don'ts, how to make sales, and a lot of it. So guys, I hope I've given you something that is going to add more value to you, more value to your income, and also help you become successful in your freelancing journey. Okay, we'll stop there for today, guys. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, so that you'll be the first person to get a notification whenever we post a new video. See you all next week. Bye.